Today, let's give my long-haired cat a nice haircut using the PetSaunter Pet Grooming Shaver. It comes fully charged, pre-oiled, and ready to go straight out of the box. No setup needed. It also has a long battery life so you can do the entire grooming session in one go without stopping to recharge. The shaver itself is lightweight, quiet, and cordless, super convenient. The stainless steel blade is smooth and adjustable, and it feels safe to use even on long, thick fur. Now let's see it in action. I started shaving and was impressed that the sound didn't startle my cat at all. Huge relief. The clipper glides right through her fur without tugging. In just 20 minutes, I was able to remove a full coat of hair without stressing her out. I've actually brought my cat to the groomers once before, but because of the stress and anxiety it caused her, I'll never do it again. We both left with scratches and bites. Doing this at home already makes it so much easier on your pet. If you're looking for a gentle, effective way to groom your pet at home, the PetSaunter is definitely worth it.